Okay, so in this section of the course, I will teach you the basics of C# that you need to start programming and making your own games. So the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to type in hello world to the console. So to do this, we're going to go to Unity, and inside the Unity editor, we're going to create a new C# script. So to do this, we're going to go to the project view, right click, and then select create, and then we select C# script. Once we create a C# script, we have to give a name to the C# script. So we're gonna type in main. It's very important that the name of the script starts with a capital letter. In this case, it's main, so it's capital M. Hit enter, and now we're going to double click the main script to open it. Visual Studio is gonna open the C# script. So basically, Visual Studio is where we're going to edit all of our C# scripts. As you can see, we have the class main and we have two methods. For now, you don't need to know about these methods. You don't need to know what they do or how they work. We're just going to go to the start method. Inside the start method, inside the braces or the brackets, and we're going to type in print, open parentheses, open quotes, and we're going to type in hello, let me see if I can write it correctly, hello world, like this. And then at the end of the statement, we have to end the statement with a semicolon, like this. Once we do this, hit Ctrl S to save the file, go back to Unity, and then if we hit play, we should see here in the console hello world. So let's do it. And you can see that nothing happens. And why is this? Well, for a script to work in Unity, if we want the main script to work in Unity, we have to first create an object and then attach this script to the object. So we're going to do that. Here in the hierarchy, right click and select create empty. Let's give our game object a name. We can call it main. So this is our main object. And you can see that as soon as we create the object comes with a transform position. You can see the component here in inspector. It has a random position. So what we do in these cases is that we right click here in the transform component and we click reset. This will reset the position of the game object. Here in the scene, we should be able to see this game object, but we cannot see it for some reason. And this is because this object does not have a sprite attached to it. So that's why it looks like invisible on the scene. But if you press the W shortcut, if you select the main object and you press the W shortcut, you can see that the guidelines for the position appear here in the screen, in the scene. And we can move the object all around, but it's just that it doesn't have a sprite, so we won't see anything. If we click in somewhere else, we don't know where the object is. Okay, so we created an object, and now we have to, I told you that we have to attach the script to the object. So we left click the main and we drag the main script to the main object like this. And now if we select the main, we can see that here in the inspector, the main script has been attached to it. So now in theory, this script, the main script, should work when we play the game in Unity. So let's try this out. Let's hit play. And in the console, we can see that, of course, the hello world appears. So we have successfully printed out hello world to the console. We have created our first program and our first minigame, if you want to call it a game. Okay, so this is gonna be it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.